Hello friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Andrew and this is the first video of the channel, so I can't really tell you what the channel's about. So let's dive in. I seem to eat, sleep and breathe Excel right now, so I thought my first video should be something Excel-ish. This is just a quick and dirty little thing, but it can really help you, particularly if you are looking at lots and lots of data and you want an answer on another worksheet. And rather than flipping, let's call it that, between various worksheets, and this is a nice little example, I've only got 2 worksheets here, it's much easier to have 2 copies of the same workbook open. So, to do that, in Excel, come up to the View tab. Now, I'm on a Windows PC, I'm an out-and-out Windows person. Come up to the View tab, New Window. Now, look at the application header, this bit right at the top. Okay, it says 2, and then I've just dragged it down, and that's 1. Now, this is the same workbook, so any changes you make here are replicated directly in the other one as well. But for us, what we want to do is come back to View, in the Windows group, Arrange All. If you see this little box here, now for me, I am very much a fan of vertical. Then press OK. And here I now have 2 copies of the same workbook. So I can come over to my answers, and in here I'm going to put in a nice easy VLOOKUP. So equals VLOOKUP. Tab, my lookup value, well that happens to be G here, and that's never going to move, so let's lock that in place. Comma, where's my table array? Well, that's on this other worksheet. Select my first value, Control-Shift right arrow, Control-Shift down arrow. Always scroll down, have a look, make sure I've got all my data. Happy days, I have. That's never going to move. Lock it in place with the F4 button. Then, comma, now it wants my column index number. Now my first name just happens to be in column number 2. So I press 2, comma, select my false because I want something they call an exact match, close it off, hit return, job done. Now, that's this, and I can complete the rest of the VLOOKUP later, but look at exercise file 1 on the right hand side, come to my answer, and there it is. And I could fill the VLOOKUP here if I wish, but it's much easier to have 2 copies of the same workbook open. And always remember, Control and S, and that's it for this short video.